So anybody who's been dealing with rust on their Jeep will appreciate this. This is the side where my skid plate dropped down. And as you can see, there was somebody had already done some welding up here where they welded in a square piece. And I had to dig it out. I wanted to put a full piece in here. And as I knew, there'd be a hole underneath it. This is all solid up top. This is good, but you can see some rot coming in over here now. So we're going to put a piece in. I'm going to weld a piece in over here. Come right down to the bracket. Weld it right into the body mount. 3/16 steel. Keep it about 1 inch down from the top. It's nice and solid. This is the rail system I'm going to put up in place using 3x3 3/16 inch angle iron. And there's the piece I'm going to put up on the inside edge all the way over to the rear trailing arm, lower trailing arm. Weld right around it. Make it nice and tight. This one's going to weld right into the bottom edge of here, of the control arm. Let's get up underneath. This is the rail system I put in place once to temporarily hold the skid plate up. And there's the clamps I used to go over the top of the frame, hold them right up in place. Worked really well. Did the same to the other side, but I had to cut the bolts to get it off. Let's take a look and see what the bottom looks like. Okay, so here's the front. You can see there's some rust all the way over. Let me get this out. Up underneath is good. It ends like pretty much right here, right where the dirt builds up, of course. Here's the rail system that pulled out. You can see up inside. Look up on the inside edge, still some rust. We're going to cut all of this out before we actually put the angle iron in place. Working our way to the back, and the back looks pretty good. So the pieces we're going to put on, we're going to weld right in there nicely. We've got a little of that to cut out first, grind out. All right. He comes right up to within 1 inch of the top, and it comes out, sticks out over the edge about a little more than, probably close to 1/4 inch, which the 3/16 steel would take up most of that, coming down the front when I scab those pieces in.